Language is no longer a limitation. At Interprefy, we make communication seamless for everyone. Whether it's a webinar, business meeting, training session, or town hall, our solution ensures every voice is heard and understood. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI speech translation and AI-powered captions to create seamless multilingual experiences in your Microsoft Teams meetings. As soon as you join the meeting, a window will pop up, giving you the option to select the language you'd like to follow. After selecting your preferred listening language, Spanish, French, English, Mandarin, or any other option provided, you're all set to get started. And what if you accidentally close the language selector? No problem. Just click on the three dots in the toolbar, go to the language and speech, and pick your language there. Additionally, under the balance volume, you can adjust the mix between the level of the original audio and the interpretation volume. When someone speaks, AI-powered translation ensures their words are conveyed in their selected language, keeping them connected and engaged throughout the meeting. Our solution supports two-way translation in multiple languages, ensuring everyone is understood. To access AI-powered captions, simply click the link provided by the host, choose your preferred captioning language, and enhance your listening experience by visually complementing the content with AI captions. Or use the Interprefy mobile app and select your preferred captioning language.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Daniela. Soy la gerente de proyectos y estoy aquí para discutir los detalles del proyecto. Quiero asegurarme que todos estemos alineados con los objetivos y el
I want to make
cronograma.
sure that we
¿Qué
are all
opinas?
aligned with the objectives and the schedule. What do you think?
Oi, Daniela. Tudo bem? Sou Vladimir, o líder da equipe. E acho
Hi,
que alinhar os
Daniela.
objetivos
Is everything
do
all
cronograma
right?
é uma
I'm
ótima
Vladimir,
ideia. Podemos começar discutindo os pontos principais do projeto.
the team leader, and I think that aligning the objectives and the schedule is a great thing. Idea. We can start by discussing the main points of the project.
Now everyone can easily listen to AI speech translation and follow along with AI-powered captions, boosting clarity, understanding, and engagement. Ready to transform your meetings? Contact us today to learn more or schedule a demo. Thanks for watching.